We're going to be looking at the same graph as we did for examples 1 and 2. Here's f of x, and here is g of x. Let's move on to example 3. Now it says g over f of 4. Now if you recall, I told you what this means. Let's go ahead and write it again. This is a shorthand of saying what is g of 4 divided by f of 4. Okay, this and this mean the same thing, so don't forget that. So we're going to do the same steps we've been doing. Step 1 is to evaluate the first function. So we want to figure out what g of 4 is. Again, this is the same thing. So let's take a look at g. Well, g of 4 is going to be equal to 5. So we're going to place g of 4 with equal to 5. Step 2 is to evaluate the second function. So we have to figure out what f of 4 is. So if we go over here, f of 4 is equal to 0. It's right on the x-axis. So therefore, we will replace f of 4 with 0. Now we have to figure out what g of 4 over f of 4 is, so we have to plug those values in. So g of 4 is replaced with 5, f of 4 is replaced with 0. However, we cannot divide by 0, so therefore g over f of 4 is undefined for our last step of operation. Sometimes it happens where you get an undefined when you do function composition. That's it for this example. If you have any questions about it, let me know.